right, we're picking this up just in case. $3 bet, dime denomination. We're on Monopoly Express. We got a gold train. We got 2 reds, 6 purples. This is dimes. So 21 bucks times 6. So that's 120 bucks. That major is really high. Okay, $56 times 2. What's the Goldie gonna do for us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. Low numbers, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 80 bucks on the end. 30 trains, it's about 400 bucks. That is amazing. What a bonus on $3. That's a big win.